After a setback, many seek to rebuild their credit scores. One effective strategy is to use secured credit cards, which require a cash deposit to act as your credit limit. Making timely payments is crucial. Even small amounts can make a big impact. Consider addressing any errors on your credit report, since disputing inaccuracies can lead to a score increase. Additionally, maintaining a low credit utilization ratio, ideally below 30%, ensures creditors view you as a responsible borrower. With patience and diligence, restoring your credit score can lead to better financial opportunities, paving the way for a brighter financial future.